আমি এই জীবনে কোনদিন বলবো না তাদের এই মানে এই পরিচ্ছন্নতা কেন এই পার্টি আজকে মিটিং এর যে অভিজ্ঞতাটা আমি নিজে জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি বন্ধ হয়েছিলাম আমি নিজে আমি বললাম না গেলাম চোখ রান্নায় সামনে পেলে মারতে আসে সকালে ব্ল্যাক লাগালে
Is it? Are you comfortable in English or Bangla?
English or Hindi?
Hindi. Okay. English. The state workers meeting of All India Forward Bloc was held here, Hemanta Basu Bhavan, Agartala, to discuss about the future course of action of our party, to discuss about the ensuing elections in the local bodies, and review the last ADC election, and prepare elaborate program for the 22nd June, the party foundation day, and to reorganize the whole party structure in Tripura state. Comrades from different district committees and local committees, they were present here, and they expressed their valuable opinion how to rebuild the organization. As a Forward Bloc has a strong base in Tripura, so we need a formidable leadership to carry forward the mission of All India Forward Bloc and to as Subhashism. The Central Committee of All India Forward Bloc has unleashed one national campaign to propagate the politics of Subhash Chandra Bose, that is Subhashism, as Subhashism is the future. And the party started a nationwide campaign as Har Ghar Netaji. So we started, and this meeting also discussed about how to implement this Har Ghar Netaji program, and we asked the youngsters, the students and youth, to unleash a campaign in the name of Bring Back Netaji to Campus. When pseudo-nationalists are playing and trying to divide the country on the basis of religion and destroying our secular fabric of the nation, it is very much necessary to bring back Netaji among the youngsters. So we ask our young comrades to unleash a campaign in the name of Bring Back Netaji to the Campus. So today's meeting is discussing all these issues elaborately, and the state coordinating committee will also meet the afternoon, and we will take the decision to make how to implement the decisions which we are going. That we need a strong committee to carry forward the entire decisions. That is why, along with me, Comrade Mihir Nandi, the member of the Central Secretariat, has also come from Assam to attend this meeting because he is very much familiar to the Tripura organizational issues. So we both here, and along with us, Comrade Paresh Sarkar, he is, and Raghunath